This is a visual learning assignment for Microsoft Office 2007. I will be explaining how to use smart art in a document. The first thing you want to do is, if you have a document and this is the first paragraph, this is the second paragraph. If you want to insert it in between two paragraphs, first make sure your cursor is clicked in between the two. Once it is, click on the insert ribbon, and under the illustrations tab you see smart art. Click on that. Now there's a bunch of different selections you can choose from. There's a list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid. It basically depends on your needs, on what you're trying to do. And if you click on those, it gives you an example on the right of what you're looking for. For my presentation, I will be explaining a different way to do an address book that includes pictures. So I will be using vertical picture list. Select on the image, click OK. And you'll notice it's inserted between first and second paragraph. You'll see these arrows on the left side of your smart art. Click on that and then it'll have a text box open up. So type in, you see where the cursor's blinking. If you look over to the right inside the image, each line corresponds to the other. So this first line is the first line. I've already determined the first one for me is going to be doggy. I push the down arrow. It's simpler than using the mouse. By pushing the down arrow, it selects the second option. I will be putting a phone number in here, 333-333. Down arrow, address, down arrow, phone number, once you are done doing that, click outside of the image. Excuse me. Oh, yep. Click outside of the image, and there it is. Now, in order to insert pictures, click on the picture. I will do that again in case you got confused. Click outside of it. Single click on the picture you want to insert. I'm looking for a dog picture. My documents, my pictures is where I have these saved. I had already downloaded these pictures. Insert. Click on the picture. Click insert. Click on the cat. Click on the cat picture. Insert. Horsey. Click on the horsey picture. I found a nice horse running on the beach. Insert. And you are done. One final thing I wanted to point out, if you want more than 3 options, what you need to do is, once you get down to right here and you go to the next name, say it is a skunk, hit the enter key, and then you will notice the bullet is still indented, so hit backspace and you can type in skunk. Also, if you want to change the designs, there's a bunch of different options you can select from. You can change the colors. That's pretty. And you can change the look. Usually, for me, looking at something, the more graphical it is, the better it looks. And here's your finished product. Thank you.